I understand. Could we ask the Deped to give us a briefing, a briefing on the what we are doing now with the academic calendar? What do we expect? Yes, Director Laila.
Um, Once again, good afternoon, Mr. Chair, and to everybody. I should like to inform that the Department of Education has already drafted an amendment, actually, of Deped Order Number 22 Series of 2023, which actually aims to at least gradually revert. I say gradually revert to June, because if we do it now, then the number of school days is going to be it's going to be affected. In fact, I should like to inform that we're done having the consultation with relevant stakeholders, and that included Honorable Castro and the other officers of the ACT and the TDC, and some other stakeholders, Mr. Chair, were represented. Even the private schools associations were represented, teachers group, and some students. However, after that consultation, our Vice President and Secretary of the Department of Education would still wish to consult our field offices, and that includes our regional directors. We're done with our regional directors. What's happening now is the consultation among our schools division offices until schools, because of course we would also like to hear from them. So for now, Mr. Chair, the move is for us to gradually revert to June. Most likely for school year 2024-2025, we cannot do it yet for June, but the following school year, we might be able to revert to June. We already have the working document, Mr. Chair, and until 2029, we know what's going to happen. For sure, there's going to be reversion to, we'll be reverting to June.
Director Ariola, just to clarify, correct me if I did not hear it correctly. Based on your studies, on Deped studies, it is the decision of Deped to revert to the June to March academic calendar, but it will not be done in 1 year. It will be gradually done. How many years will it take to effectively revert to June to March? June being the beginning of the academic calendar, March is the end, obviously.
Okay. Actually, Mr. Chair, in the draft, in the working document that we prepared, you might be able to revert to June already by school year 2025-2026.
Next
That's a year after next year, unless we're still studying, Mr. Chair, because should there are groups that are also affected. Should we abruptly revert to June? For example, even the vacation days of our teachers are going to be affected. Unless there's going to be another consultation, Mr. Chair, to really find out whether our teachers will be very much willing to have their vacation days also reduced for us to be able to get back immediately to June. So these are all the repercussions.
Honorable Plato.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yun nga gusto kong itanong just one clarificatory question sa mga House bills na ito, changing the start of the school year to June. The ongoing academic year will end on around May. Pag 2025, ganun din End of May. Kung sisimulan po natin ang pasok ng first Monday of June, baka po hindi magkaroon ng enough time mga guro natin para magpa-prepare ng school plans for the next school year. Also baka hindi rin ang magkakaroon ng enough recovery period ang ating mga guro at mga estudyante dahil diretso na po tayo. Ano po kaya ang may tutulong natin dito sa House? Kung sakaling kahit pa paano matulungan natin sila sa ganitong mga aspeto. Thank you.
Yes, Director Laila.
That's why, Mr. Chair, that in our intent, should we revert to June, we are not really considering an abrupt
Ang point nila, Honorable Plato, in order for them to go back to revert to the old academic
Yes.
calendar, mga 2 months yung affected doon. Ang plano nila, if they do, after consultations, kasi may additional consultations
Yes.
sila, if they do decide to revert to the old academic calendar, hindi gagawin yun biglaan.
Yes.
Mauna lang 1 buwan muna, and then next
Yeah.
year, 1 buwan ulit. Para kahit papano, yung vacation ng ating mga teachers, and most especially, yung mga students natin, ay hindi naman mawala completely. So if they decide after consultations with their field offices na babalik na sa June ang start, March ang end, hindi naman mangyayari agad-agad yun this
Yes.
academic calendar. 1 month muna adjustment. The next academic calendar, another month para mabuo nila yung buong reversion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.